In this video, you're going to get to see another look that I did while I was in Maryland. So first, I am going to prime my lids, my face, and everything so that this makeup will stick and last. It was a little warm, and I wanted this to last all day. From, seeing family and all of that stuff, I wanted my face to still be flawless. That's why priming was a very important step on this day. I went in with my bronze number 3 all over my face, and then I highlighted with the little scrapes that I could get out of the Mary Kay concealer bottle. As you know, I have some more now, but I was struggling with the last little bit that I had. I went in to bake that with a certain powder that I will tell you all about in another video. And I just kind of, packed it on, caked it on. You know how we bake, ladies. And my husband walked in like, what is going on? So it's always funny when he walks in and I'm baking. But I don't bake all the time. So now I'm just going into my eyeshadow. And y'all, I really don't do this all the time. This is how y'all know I wanted this makeup to last. I primed, I'm baking. This makeup is not going anywhere. So I'm just going in with my eyeshadow look, and I put my light shade on the brow bone. I'm going in the crease with this brown shade. I'm going to cut the crease with my NYX eyeshadow base. And for this look, I put some silver eyeshadow on my lid. And I just pack it on there. It's going to stick to that NYX. And it's going to make the color pop. Then I put in like a darker brown to a black shade in the outer V. After the eyes was done, I'm just dusting away any fallout or anything with that baking powder, or the powder that I was using to bake with. Now I'm just setting the rest of my face. I'm adding some highlight, contour, blush, the whole 9. And this particular day, I did my brows last. Sometimes I'll do my brows, then my eyeshadow. Sometimes I'll do my eyeshadow, then my brows. So this was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you guys want to see more kind of simple cut crease videos,